Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. We will explore several ways to decrease stitches. In previous sessions, we learned to knit 2 stitches together with a left and right lean. I won't repeat myself. For those interested, check the links below the video. Today, we will look at 3 more ways to decrease. The first method is knitting 2 stitches together purlwise. I have knitted several rows in stockinette stitch with classic stitches and will move to the purl row. You can knit using granny stitches as well. It doesn't make much difference here. We slip the first edge stitch. Then, we will knit the next 2 stitches together purlwise, that is as one. Insert the right needle into both stitches, moving from right to left, just like that. The yarn is in front of the work. Now we knit a regular classic purl stitch. We slide everything onto the right needle. Let's do it one more time. Yarn in front of the work, we insert the right needle into both stitches, moving from right to left, and knit these 2 stitches purlwise. Classic. In my view, this isn't very convenient, better to use the granny purl. We insert the needle directly into both stitches moving from right to left. And we knit the purl stitch. We pull the working yarn like this. This is how stitches are decreased. The second method is knitting 3 stitches together knitwise. Since I have knitted stockinette stitch with classic stitches, I will knit 3 stitches together through the front loop. If you use granny stitches, then you will knit 3 stitches together through the back loop. Let's go. We slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle. Now, we insert the right needle into the 3 stitches moving from left to right. That is, directly into all 3 stitches. We grab the working yarn and pull it through all 3 stitches at once. In other words, we knit a classic knit stitch but through all 3 at once. Threaded work, we insert the right needle to the left and into 3 stitches at once. That is, we will knit through the front loop. It turns out very tight. We grab the working thread. We pull it through all 3 stitches and slip everything onto the right needle. This way, this is how our knitted 3 stitches look. And one more third method, knitting 3 stitches together using a twist. Just like when knitting 2 stitches together with a left slant, which we discussed in the previous lesson. We slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle. Next we do the first stitch. We slip it onto the right needle as a knit. Next the second and third stitches. These 2 stitches, we knit together classically. That is, we insert the needle from left to right and knit it. Then we place our slipped first stitch over the 2 knitted stitches together. Like this, using a twist. Next, we again slip it as a knit. The next 2 are knitted together as knits. And we place the slipped stitch over our last knitted one. This is how 3 stitches look knitted together using a twist. Choose any method you prefer. Which one is more convenient, but there are actually more methods. I have shown the most basic ones. Subscribe, like. We will meet again, my dear, in the next lessons. Goodbye.